So here's our butterfly raised graphic, braille on the back, and a splint that'll join the two parts together. On the underside, we have a recessed area for the splint to go in, both top and bottom. That'll help orient the two when you bring them together. One thing to point out is that when printing braille on a horizontal surface, you get a kind of rough product, a little gloopy in spots, and if I hold this steady, you may see some stringing as well. That doesn't occur when you print on the side of an object or on a vertical surface. So let's go ahead and assemble these. Just take some super glue, and I'm going to start by putting a little bit of glue down into the recessed area of one part. And then we'll put the splint in that. And the splint can be whatever color you want, including the color of the symbol. I'm just doing this for contrast. Now we'll take that part, the other part anyway, and we'll put a little bit of super glue down into the recess of that one, and we'll put a little bit on the flat surface. Now we'll just use the splint to orient them as we put them together. Squeeze. And I'm going to take one final step, and that is I'm going to put a clamp on them. And then just let it sit for however long the super glue needs to hold. We'll come back in a minute or two. 2 minutes later, let's see what we've got. Nice, solid symbol here with raised elements on the bottom, raised elements on the top. And nicely aligned.